This video is for Mama's Palestinian Kitchen Group. I'm Morgan. I'm on the rooftop garden. It's our saving grace right now. There's a lockdown. I'm actually really excited about that because I get to garden this week instead of cook, or just cook for my family rather. So we're taking out our winter vegetables on our winter garden, and we're going to plant our summer garden this week. So we've just been ripping up, as you can see. Lots of good food. These are for this little lady right here, my sleeping 8-month-old. She'll be eating these today. And my son was just up here petting bees. That's actually something you can do. Just go from the head back. And I wanted to show you guys the borage. Can you see? The borage is covered in bees. It's called khubz al-nahl, or the bread of the bees, because they love it so much. And if I were quiet enough, you see all these guys? If I were quiet enough, you would actually hear them because there's so many bees up here. And as my husband was just telling me, that this is from the Mediterranean region, the borage, and he brought seeds and planted it because we don't find it in Palestine anymore today. And we spread that around. So if anybody's in Ramallah and wants seeds or baby plants, come on by. We love to share the good stuff and try to bring back some of our native plants that we no longer have around, and also taking care of pollinators. So that's the most important thing. That's really my message, is take care of the environment. You know, we're part of that larger ecosystem. So one of the things we do is we leave, so that's just ripping out our garden. One of the things we do is we leave a lot of the wildflowers, and even we let a lot of the plants go to flower and seed. Not just because we're collecting seeds, but also this is a hollyhock, for example. These are going to be hollyhock flowers in there, which is a native plant, a native wildflower, and the bees just love that. They'll be all over that also. There's dandelion here. There's so many flowering plants up here on our rooftop garden, and the reason that we do that, I'm walking you to the other side to show you some more stuff. The reason that we do that is because you have to take care of your pollinators. 70% of what you guys are eating, it's pollinated by bees, much less all the other little pollinators that come by. So let me get on this side. This is hedge nettle. It's another wildflower that grows here in Palestine. These are Swiss chard that is going to seed, and you can see that right here, flowering and seeding. And we do that not only because it's sustainable when you collect your own seeds and share those seeds, but also because bees and other pollinators love that. And when you bring them, they pollinate your tomatoes and your cucumbers and all of these things that if you don't have them pollinated, you're not going to get any fruits or vegetables growing. So that's super important. If you are like my dad, hope my dad's not in this group, he probably is, don't spray and kill your dandelions, because pollinators love those, and dandelions are edible. You know, it's from the same family as alec, which we all know and love in our salads here, huh? So take care of nature, and nature will take care of you. I'm walking back up to the rooftop garden because I'm going to add this onto the end of my last video for you guys, because I have to tell you the coolest thing. The important thing about picking a borage flower is to make sure there's no bee on it, because there's just bees all over this still. Okay, so this is the coolest thing. Borage flowers are edible. Yeah, you think I'm just like talking about nature, but I'm actually showing you guys still all the edible plants of Palestine.